और ये फन नहीं है। जो ऑडियंस हमें स्लट और लड़कियों को स्लट शेम कर रही है, पागल है सबके सब। देयर आर anonymous boys who can you who unfortunately fortunately still have more power over a woman with a very strong following. You have to remember that there is the audience that you are doing for here would be very happy if a woman, but very angry when a man is called rapist. And don't work on righteousness. Women work on women do work on righteousness, but it's got to do with a lot of emotional quotient. There's an emotional strength to a lot of female characters. But हमेशा ही हम लोग को सती या फिर स्वीट या फिर अच्छा होने की जरूरत नहीं है. The thing is, जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी तो no one expected me to be doctor engineer. They just expected me to be married, so I think it was all good. Women show is, as the name suggests, I'm quite hormonal. Who isn't in their 30s? Actually, in their 20s also. And I am very unsuccessfully trying to be a hoe, Kriti. I am so bad at it. Because मेरी innate संस्कार निकल ही आती है. मेरी पेट्रियार्की जागी जाती है कि सब की स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ मेकआउट ऐसे नहीं करते, सिर्फ पति के साथ मेकआउट करते. ये सब मैं रियली अंडू करने की कोशिश करी मेरे दिमाग में. मैं लाइक पीरियड आया तो आया, नहीं आया तो आई गेस मैं डिजर्व नहीं करती पीरियड. ये सब ड्रामा चल रहा है हमारा. 30s में लड़का ढूंढना इज वेरी टफ. तुझे नहीं मिलने वाला. तो यू स्टार्ट प्रेपिंग टू डाई अलोन. तू देख ले. तो ऑनेस्टली माई शो इज बिगर एजेंडा. इसकी ठीक है गाइस, चांसेस है आई एम गोना डाई अलोन, बट तुम सब लोग बोल रहे हो डाइंग अलोन इज वेरी अनकूल. My agenda or my message to the world is, can you please make dying alone cool? As a comedian, I don't like roasting. I don't like it.
Welcome to Hindustan Times. So good to have you here. And, for the first time, I'm meeting a comedian. Very male dominated industry, like almost every industry in India. But how is it that you, as a woman, feel in this industry? Did you feel like an outsider? How is it, for you to be one of the few women in India who are, professional comedians, and now you're an entrepreneur, and, you're also an actor. So how does it feel and to be in a male dominated industry?
Kriti, when I started, since I'm not from this industry, I think I just I never thought about it like that. I just kept doing whatever I had to do. Then later, I'm like, oh, this is also like that, or what? Okay, cool. And of course, there is bias. Everybody knows it. It's not. It's I think it's very unfortunate how casually we are saying that. Of course, bias to hai hi. It's very disheartening, but it is there. And like I think every girl in every industry, we just get on it. We're like, काम करना है, आगे बढ़ना है. कभी चापलूसी करनी है तो great, कभी नहीं करनी है तो भी great. So I think that way the rules of it is pretty much similar where all the girls go through.
So this is an unconventional profession, especially in India. And India mein, like when I was growing up, it was always like doctor, engineer, or lawyer banna hai. So how was it received from your family, and was it difficult? Did it take a lot of courage for you to kind of step out of the conventional zone?
I mean, the good thing is, जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी तो no one expected me to be doctor, engineer. They just expected me to be married, so I think it was all good. So then I left to study. उसके बाद it was no looking back, या Kriti. But I must say that my family didn't know for a long time. I hid it from them. मैंने छुपा के ही किया था ये बहुत. मैंने इनफैक्ट झूठ बोला था उनसे कि मैं बॉम्बे में जॉब कर रही हूँ. मैं बॉम्बे में जॉब नहीं कर रही थी. मैं बॉम्बे में कॉमेडी कर रही थी. और इवेंचुअली मेरी मम्मी को पता चला, मेरी बहुत पिटाई हुई. और फिर बहुत ऐसे ऊपर नीचे हुआ कि बात नहीं हुआ ये वो. और तब मैं एक लड़की के साथ आई वॉज ऑल्सो ऑलमोस्ट मैंने बोल दिया मम्मी को कि हाँ नहीं मैं कॉमेडी तो कर रही हूँ, पर डोंट वरी मेरी सगाई हो जाएगी. पर मैंने वो लड़की को छोड़ दिया था. तो एक झूठ से दूसरे झूठ पे चली गई मैं. So I think कि pandemic के time पे is when my mother finally realized कि अच्छा तू ये करती है. Got it. So I think and also when you turn 30 तो your relationship with family is less hectic. Especially with my mother, it was very hectic, and then in 30s we've just become, I think I'm her best friend. She's, I'm so proud. मैं ही कह रही थी कि वो फैशन शो में कॉमेडी करे. I'm like, अच्छा फैशन शो के बारे में तुम क्या बोलती थी मुझे पता है. So it's nice, but I like it. I don't mind. I'm like, चलो कोई बात नहीं.
So you have an international show coming up, and tell us a little bit about the show. If you can give us a little glimpse, that'll be great.
I am actually right now in Edinburgh, and I've done 5 shows already of my show Hormonal, which is a stand-up solo. The show is, as the name suggests, I'm quite hormonal. Who isn't in their 30s? Actually, in their 20s also. And I am very unsuccessfully trying to be a hoe, Kriti. I am so bad at it because मेरी innate संस्कार निकल ही आती है. मेरी patriarchy जागी जाती है कि so कि स्ट्रेंजर्स के साथ मेकआउट ऐसे नहीं करते, सिर्फ पति के साथ मेकआउट करते. ये सब मैं रियली अंडू करने की कोशिश करी मेरे दिमाग में कि कोई बात नहीं, एक्सप्लोर कर ले, कोई नहीं. तो ऑफकोर्स ये तो द फन साइड इज, बट अनदर थिंग इज कि क्या होना है कि व्हेन यू आर डेटिंग इन 20s इट्स फन, बट व्हेन यू आर डेटिंग इन योर 30s वो एक लूमिंग प्रेशर हो जाता है जो पेरेंट्स भी नहीं, दोस्त भी करते हैं कि भाई 30s में लड़का ढूंढना इज वेरी टफ, तुझे नहीं मिलने वाला. तो यू स्टार्ट प्रेपिंग टू डाई अलोन, तू देख ले. तो honestly my show is bigger agenda. इसकी ठीक है guys, chances है I'm gonna die alone, but तुम सब लोग बोल रहे हो कि dying alone is very uncool. My agenda or my message to the world is, can you please make dying alone cool so that I can continue doing whatever I want, because my life, I want to earn so much money that I have private jet, that I take all my audience members to Hawaii and perform there, और मेरे ऐसे ड्रीम्स हैं. तो इसमें लड़का मिल गया तो ग्रेट, प्लीज वो भी चले हमारे साथ, वो प्लेन चलाए भाई, नो प्रॉब्लम, उसे जो करना है करे, ठीक है. बट आई डोंट वांट टू नाउ फाइंड अ बॉय ओनली बिकॉज आई फील अलोन. I'd like to do it because it will be an equal and a fun relationship, and if not, it's fine because I've invested myself in the most. I've invested in myself the most, and and if I die alone, I'm actually not, I'm dying with the best person because I really worked hard on this person. So my bigger claim to the world is that, can you guys make dying alone cool for girls so that it's great?
Is there anything from the show, like, can you give us a little glimpse, something that you remember that you love that you can share?
About in my show, my favorite part of my show is it all started because of that, because I went because I wanted to lose weight in pandemic. I said chalo time aa gaya, I want to lose weight, and I was 120 kgs then. I started working out, khana wana sahi kha rahi thi, it was very good. I'm very dedicated like that. And honestly, Kriti, I went from 120 to 125 kgs. I gained weight. And I was like, what the fuck? Why am I gaining weight? And then it was like, it was water weight. I'm like, water weight? Antarctica glaciers melt होके मेरे अंदर आ रही है क्या भाई? काय का water weight? I don't understand. But then everyone's like, but what about your menstrual, reproductive hygiene, menstrual hygiene? And that's the thing, right? A lot of us don't even pay attention to that one additional important organ. We're like, period आया तो आया, नहीं आया तो I guess मैं deserve नहीं करती period. ये सब drama चल रहा है हमारा. My favorite part of the whole show was when I met my current gynecologist. She is the best woman, Kriti. She is amazing. Like, she just changed my perspective on my body, my relationship with it, and also just reduced the guilt, because we have so much guilt in everything. Period nahi aaya to bhi guilt hai, period aaya to bhi guilt hai, weight loss nahi hua to guilt hai, weight gain hua to guilt hai. And also there's such limited research on women's reproductive health. सब कुछ तुक्के में चल रहा है. PCOS is not a disease, it's a lifestyle disorder. I'm like, so there is no real treatment until girls start sleeping on time, don't drink, don't smoke, and they wake up early. I'm like, so basically मेरे hormones भी चाहते हैं मैं घर भी बैठी रहूं. So I'm like, this is weird. So her conversation has really changed the way I look at my body. My body image issues have been very different. Like, they're sort of figuring itself out, and I'm more comfortable in my skin now. So my gynec bit and my hormone report bit in the show are my favorites. I love it. मेरा बस चले तो कोई ताली भी ना बजाए, मैं वो करती रहूं लाइफ में.
When is this show? Where are you going next from Edinburgh? Where is this show traveling? Where is it taking you?
Oh yeah, that's actually an important thing I missed out on, because after Edinburgh Fringe, Hormonal, we're doing our last India tour starting September.
Okay.
And I think I'm going to tour all across India, maybe one last time. Then we might go to the US, we might go to some Southeast Asian countries. Let's see. But by like next year, this show will be ready to go to its next space. I don't know.
Amazing. So, Mukhi, now, you also you're an entrepreneur. There's also something called Motor Mouth that I was just reading about before this call. So just wanted to understand what is this venture, and how did you decide to kind of journey into becoming an entrepreneur? What is Motor Mouth all about?
So the whole idea was to bring writers together and start owning stories. And the reason why I started Motor Mouth is because I wanted to write stories which are funny, with flawed female, and that are fabulous. That was my idea. Funny, female, fabulous. That was my I think, my aim, or funny, flawed, fabulous, whichever it is. And it's the thing, because I don't find female characters are always right or wrong. I think female characters are always in the middle, because you have a perspective of, because women don't work on righteousness. Women do work on righteousness, but it's got to do with a lot of emotional quotient. There's an emotional strength to a lot of female characters. But हमेशा ही हम लोग को सती या फिर sweet या फिर अच्छा होने की जरूरत नहीं है. Like how my show Pushpavali on Amazon, she is a stalker, but आप देखोगे तो you'll root for her. और आपको बुरा भी लगेगा कि why you rooting for a stalker. तो ये जो फीलिंग है ना, ये कंफ्यूजन वाली फीलिंग, ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो मुझे वैसे शोज और मूवीज देखने जहां पे आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ कि एक मिनट, मैं ये क्यों कर रही हूँ, मैं रूट क्यों कर रही हूँ इस लड़की के लिए, लड़की तो पागल है. बट यू आर लाइक, बट सभी पागल हैं.
Very recently about roasting and all of that, and roasting is a very popular genre internationally in comedy, but obviously it hurts a lot of people's feelings and there's a lot of controversy around it. So as a comedian, what is your take on roasts, and do you think that it's something that can still be done tastefully without people feeling hurt about it? Just wanted to understand your take on roasting as a genre of comedy.
As a comedian, I don't like roasting. I don't like it. I think the reason why I don't like it is because the Indian audience wants to be like, we're international. They're not. Especially with women, the roasting ends up being about the body appearance or about their sexual preferences, and they're constantly slut shamed, and it's very unnecessary. और ये fun नहीं है. जो audience हमें slut और लड़कियों को slut shame कर रही है, पागल है सब के सब. They're anonymous boys who unfortunately still have more power over a woman with a very strong following. So I'm personally not a big fan of roasting, but अगर मुझे कोई पैसे दे तो मैं roasting कर लेती हूँ, that's fine. But I would never prefer to be in the giving end or in the receiving end. Also, just it needs to, you can't just say कि internationally ये roast ऐसा हो रहा है. You have to remember that there is the audience that you are doing for here would be very happy if a woman, but very angry when a man is called rapist. तो अगर it should be the same, it should be the same, right? अगर आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, भाई हमको भी गुस्सा आना चाहिए. तो वो थोड़ा डिस्पैरिटी समझ नहीं आता है. बात फीलिंग्स की नहीं है कृति. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी रॉन्ग टू से कि लोगों की फीलिंग्स हर्ट हो गई इसीलिए रोस्ट खराब था. बात ये है कि रोस्ट के बाद जो हुआ था, दैट वाज नॉट फेयर टू द पर्सन हु गॉट रोस्टेड. So I think if you are someone who's organizing roasts, you have to keep this in mind. You have to give the person equal. Like अगर आप कर रहे थे उनके साथ ये jokes, तो आप उनको दे देते कि भाई मैं करने वाला हूँ, तू देख लेना.
So you
can't be like ऐसे casually किसी को rapist नहीं बुलाते. I'm like,
true. So you think it should be interactive, like the other person should be given a chance to speak about.
But that's how it
Defend
is.
themselves.
Roast scripts are written and you give it to the person who roasts you. ये ऐसा है, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये होना चाहिए. Internationally roasts are done, but if I'm writing a roast for Kriti, I will tell Kriti, hey, listen, Kriti, I'm doing these roast jokes, तो मुझे भी counter करके दे. Because एक show भी तो होना चाहिए ना.
Right.
There should be a value to the whole show.
Right.
कि वो show दिखने में entertaining हो, कि मैंने आपको कुछ बुलाया तो आपको भी मौका मिला मुझे कुछ बताने के लिए.
Okay.
तो ये कुछ नया नहीं है. It's just ऐमी बीच में सब. Yeah, format is that you collaboratively do it. AI भी roast हुआ था. That was a great roast. What was the problem with that roast? सब लोग को पता था कौन क्या बोलने वाला था.
Right. So just to
Yeah, but
conclude,
it's also run by professionals. No, AIB roast was My only thing to my followers is please come for my show. Please enjoy yourself. Please drink water. Nobody tells you to drink water, so I'm telling you to drink water. But there's lots happening, so if you want to celebrate me, that will be great while drinking water.
while drinking water. नहीं फिर बाथरूम का इंतजाम करना पड़ेगा आपके शो पे.
अरे भगवान, that's true. I forgot about that operational glitch.
Thank you so much, Sumukhi. It was great having you and great talking to you today. And all the best for your show in Edinburgh. And look forward to seeing you soon in India as well.